If you drive a modern, clean diesel from Ford, Chevy, or Dodge, seeing the check engine light along with code P2045 can be stressful, especially if it puts your truck into limp mode. This code indicates a reductant temperature sensor circuit high. This is all about your Selective Catalytic Reduction system, or SCR. To meet strict emission standards in the United States, your truck injects diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, into the exhaust to break down harmful pollutants. The computer needs to know the temperature of this fluid, because if it is frozen or too hot, the system cannot spray it correctly. The sensor is usually located inside the DEF tank or the pump assembly. When the code says circuit high, it usually means the computer is seeing maximum voltage on that signal wire, which typically indicates an open circuit, like a disconnected wire or a broken sensor. The severity here is high. If you ignore this, the computer may disable the exhaust fluid system to protect the engine and catalyst, which will severely limit your speed and power. You might notice the truck is sluggish, there is excessive black smoke from the tailpipe, or you get warnings about exhaust fluid quality. Common causes are a failed temperature sensor, which often comes as part of the heater pod assembly in the tank, or corroded wiring connectors near the tank where road salt and water do damage. To troubleshoot, you will need a multimeter. Locate the connector for the reductant tank. Check for corrosion on the pins. If it looks clean, you need to measure the resistance of the temperature sensor and compare it to the manufacturer's specifications for your specific year and model. If the sensor reads infinite resistance, it is internally open and needs replacing. Since this involves the expensive emission system and often requires dropping the tank or resetting the computer with a dealer-level scanner, if you do not find a simple loose wire, this is often a job for a qualified diesel technician.